Hello, social media. We're going to do a bike check. This, my friends, is the 2025 Harley Davidson Lowrider ST Iron Horse Metallic. Super cool. 9.5-inch pullback, chrome, thrashing risers. So much more comfortable. Awesome. With the thrashing mid-bend handlebars in black. I have the gauge relocation with the carbon fiber. You see that? Pretty cool looking with the chrome. I have the Saddleman San Diego custom red stitch black leather seat. Well, whatever it is, vinyl. And I have the TBR 2-into-1 exhaust system. And I'm going to start it up for you so you can hear it. Here we go. Chop, 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 chop.